Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Amy Nguyen, also known as Dr. Rejuvenation on social media. Today we're talking about doing the Juliet laser for vaginal rejuvenation. This is a great in-office procedure that allows us to help tighten and rejuvenate the vagina to make sex more pleasurable for both you and your partner. And we can do it in the office. So here's the magic wand. It's a long, slender wand that basically what it does is through the tip, you can see it's going to deliver erbium laser throughout the length of the vaginal canal. Relatively painless procedure, and then the way it works is that erbium laser helps stimulate collagen production inside the vagina to help tighten and tone the vaginal walls. I've had the procedure done relatively painless. Not only can we help tighten up the vagina, but we can also help tighten and plump up the outer labia and shrink down the inner labia a little bit. It also helps for women who suffer from a little bit of mild urinary leakage with activity like coughing, sneezing, laughing, exercise. Great option for that. And for women who suffer from a little bit of vaginal dryness, we can help increase that moisture inside the vagina by doing the Juliet procedure. It's 3 treatments, a month apart, and the results on average last for about a year. If you like this video, don't forget to press like, subscribe, and click on that ring button to be notified of future videos.